How to rank number one on Google for multiple locations. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can build your Google business profile and rank one listing as number one on multiple locations. So let's get into it. Now, for a lot of people, this might sound really confusing, and how can you rank number one for multiple locations? Well, I have a simplified hack for you guys that will enable you to rank higher for other locations as well. More often than not, you have heard that if I Google any kind of business, so let's say I search for a vet or electrician. So if I search for a electrician in my area or in any specific area of my choice, now what this will actually do is that it will show me the different locations near me. However, if I have a listing, for example, so let's say I want to go into Canada. I'll just give you guys an example that you guys will better understand. So let's say I go into this specific section and I just go on ahead into Philadelphia. And I have a electrician service in Philadelphia, but I also am able to travel and provide it into other sites as well. So let's say I provide it in Trenton as well as New York, and I'm able to provide my service in multiple different locations, and I'm able to do it maybe even on multiple different cities. Now, how can you rank number one for multiple different cities? Well, first off, if you try to create multiple different locations, if you don't have a physical location in the other city, then Google more often than not mark it as a spam or duplicate and will shut down your other specific location that you have published. And that is something that Google often does advertise, that you can't really create a duplicate entry for another location just because you provide your service over there. You do need to have a physical location for that. So what is the hack? How can you provide the service and rank on Google My Business? Well, for that, what I actually recommend is going onto your website and creating a locations page, linking to your locations page and linking the multiple different cities or areas within a city that you provide your service for. So let's say I have a food delivery business. Now what I would do is I would actually build a locations page, and on my locations page, I would make sure that the business listing that I do have is directly linked to my locations page, and the locations page will more often than not rank in the top Google search results. So even if you're not on the My Business section, then you would still be able to rank on the top search results for your business. So if you have a location in Manhattan, so let's say you also provide it in Jersey City, and let's say you also provide it in Madison Park, in the areas near Madison Park. So for that, all you need to do is go onto your website, whatever website that you might have, and you can just click on Edit Site and build a new page. On that page, name it Locations or Services. And in that specific page, make sure to list all these services or emergency services that you provide to people that are even living far away from the physical location. What this will enable you to do is that it will get you to the top search results for people looking for specific queries, such as, let's say someone has like a broken wiring in their house. So what this will do is that when they search for emergency electrician to fix wiring, even if you're not on the top search result as a business, what it would do is that if you go out of Google My Business, you would actually be on the top search results over here. And this is going to be the best option for you when you are going to be creating your own business in multiple locations. So you can actually broaden the area that you provide your service in by using this simple technique. Now, everyone knows how to create their Google My Business account. It's very simple, but you also have another option to add multiple different business profiles. You can add a new business profile and build a second location. However, I wouldn't recommend that you build a second location that you actually don't have, simply because if it gets marked as spam, or if Google verifies it and you get flagged, you risk getting the original listing, which is a actual listing, flagged as well, which might be more detrimental to your business rather than the simple benefit of expanding the reach of your business. So the hack is just to create a page for locations and link every location and the services you provide in that specific location. Let's say I don't sell ice creams to further away locations in the food delivery service. So make sure you list all of those items categorically on your locations page that you will be creating on your website. And then you can use a keyword optimization tool like Keywords Everywhere to search for location-specific keywords. So make sure that you are searching for a specific kind of keyword to better target that location for your specific service. So in this way, you can get your business to rank at number 1 in the normal search results of any query. And this will help you in getting your business out there for multiple different locations, even if you are not in the top Google My Business search result. So let's say I just search for a specific location over here, and you will see if I search for this search term, okay, that is one thing that people are going to search for. But let's say emergency wiring fixing in Canada. So if you search for emergency wiring fixing, then the search results, the top search results are not even going to be Google My Businesses. They will often be just normal search results. And this will enable you to get your locations page from your website, and that will be optimized to be ranking the highest on Google. And in this way, you're going to be able to expand your business. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.